Today is the first day of college. Here we have Neha and Rohit. Let us see what they are talking. Namo Namaha.
नमो नमः.
भवतः नाम किम्?
मम नाम रोहितः. भवत्याः नाम किम्?
मम नाम नेहा. भवान् कः?
अहं छात्रः. भवती का?
अहमपि छात्रा. भवान् कुत्र वसति?
अहं देहलीनगरे वसामि. भवती कुत्र वसति?
अहं मुम्बईनगरे वसामि.
भवती कुत्र गच्छति?
अहं संस्कृतवर्गं गच्छामि.
अहमपि संस्कृतवर्गं गच्छामि. आगच्छतु, मिलित्वा गच्छावः.
So in this way you have seen how Neha and Rohit introduced themselves in Sanskrit. First, they greeted each other by saying Namo Namaha. In Sanskrit, this expression is quite often. So whenever you greet each other, you should say Namo Namaha in Sanskrit. Then Neha asked him, Bhavatah Naam Kim? Bhavatah Naam Kim? It means, what is your name? He replied, Mama Naam Rohitah. Mama Naam Rohitah. Now here we can replace Rohitah with other names as well. Mama Naam Sureshah. Mama Naam Ravihi. Mama Naam Vishnuhu. So in this way you can replace these names. Then Rohit asked Neha, Bhavatyaha Naam Kim? Bhavatyaha Naam Kim? It means, what is your name? She said, Mama Naam Neha. Mama Naam Neha. Similarly, you can replace Neha with other names as well. Mama Naam Radhika. Mama Naam Maithili. Mama Naam Pallavi. Now here you can see difference in questions. Bhavatah Naam Kim and Bhavatyaha Naam Kim. Here you can see the difference between these two questions. Bhavatah Naam Kim and Bhavatyaha Naam Kim. Here the expression Bhavatah is in masculine gender and the word Bhavatyaha is in feminine gender. While the answer to both these questions is same, Mama Nama. So Mama Nama will remain common. Next she asked, Bhavan Kah? Who are you? It means, what is your profession? He replied, Aham Chhatrah. I am a student. Aham Vaidyah. I am a doctor. Aham Abhiyanta. Abhiyanta means engineer. Aham Shikshakah. I am a teacher. When he asked Bhavati ka, who are you, to her, she replied, Aham Chhatra. So Chhatrah is masculine in gender, Chhatra is in feminine. Aham Vaidya. Aham Abhiyantri. Aham Shikshika. Now again, here you see the difference between questions Bhavan Kah and Bhavati ka. Bhavan is masculine and Bhavati is feminine form. These pronouns are used to convey the respect for the other person. Bhavan Kah, Bhavati ka. Then Neha asked Rohit, Bhavan Kutra Vasati? Very simple question. Where do you live? Similarly, Rohit also asked her, Bhavati Kutra Vasati? Where do you live? Now here again you see difference between these two questions. Once Bhavan is used, which is in masculine gender, and then Bhavati is used by Rohit, which is in feminine gender. For these two questions, we get these answers. Aham Mumbai Nagare Vasami. So Mumbai Nagare can be replaced by Punyapattane. Punyapattana is Pune. Punyapattane. Or Bengaluru Nagare. Or Kolkata Nagare. Chennai Nagare. So in this way we can replace Mumbai Nagare by other cities as well. Then Rohit asked Neha, Bhavati kutra gacchati? Where are you going? Then Neha again asked him, Bhavan kutra gacchati? Where are you going? Again here you see, at one place Bhavati is used by Rohit while asking Neha, and at another place Neha uses Bhavan while asking Rohit. So here we see the difference in question as per the gender. To both these questions, the answer is same. Aham Sanskrita Vargam Gacchami. Now here, Sanskrita Vargam can be replaced by Mahavidyalayam, Karyalayam. Karyalaya means office. Griham, Pathashalam. So in this way, through the conversation of Neha and Rohit, we have seen how to introduce yourself in Sanskrit. Dhanyavadah. Punarmilamah.